Excuse me. Sorry, is gate 12 this way?
No, it's the other way, dear. Hurry!
Thank you. Okay, my flight is at 2 o'clock. But where is gate number 12? I don't understand this board. My ticket says Terminal B, gate 12. But the sign says Terminal B is that way or this way? Gate 10? Gate 11? Gate 12! Yes, I found it! Okay, I am not late. Good! Oh, I made it. That was so stressful. Next time, I will check the gate before I leave home. I am on the plane. I am really going to London. I am so excited. This is my first time in England. Why? I am here! London! I cannot believe it. There are so many people. Okay, Maya, stay calm. Find the train. Okay, one ticket to central London. But which zone? Zone 1, zone 2? What is a zone?
Excuse me, miss. Can I see your ticket, please?
Oh, yes, sorry, here it is. Is it the wrong one?
You need a Zone 1 ticket for central London. Your hotel is here, on the Piccadilly line.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much. The next train goes to Cockfosters. That is a very funny name. But yes, this is my train. Platform 1. I did it! I bought the ticket, I found the platform, and now I am on the train. London, here I come! Wow, this is London! It is so beautiful and so big! Okay, my hotel's not far. I can walk. Okay, Google Maps says turn left. But I already turned left. Why am I going in a circle? This is not good. Oh, a cafe. I am very hungry and very tired. Tea and a sandwich. Yes, I need this right now.
Hello, welcome to the London Cup. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I see the menu, please? I am not sure yet.
Today we have cream of tomato soup, a cheese sandwich, or a full English breakfast.
What is a full English breakfast? What is this round bread thing?
That is a scone. It is very British. Put butter and jam on it. You will love it.
Oh, wow. This is so good. Why did nobody tell me about scones before? I want 10 more of these. I feel much better now. Food and tea, the answer to every problem. Now I need to find my hotel. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap here.
Great, thank you. And thank you for the scone. It was amazing. Okay, my hotel is only 7 minutes away. I know the way now. London, I am ready for you. This is my hotel. It is so big and beautiful. I feel like a movie star. Okay, do not be nervous, Maya. Just go in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Royal Garden Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, my name is Emma Chen. I booked online. Of course, here you go.
Perfect, Miss Chen. I can see your reservation here. May I take your passport for a moment? Your room is number 307 on the 3rd floor. The lift is just behind you on the left. Breakfast starts at 7.
Thank you so much, Patricia. Room 301, 303, 305. It must be just here. Ah, 307. This is my room. Finally. Okay, keycard. Please work. Yes, the green light. Come on, door. Open. Oh, wow. This room is beautiful. This room is incredible. Look at that bed. It is so big. And the window. I can see all of London from here. I did it. I came to London alone, and I made it. Tomorrow, my real adventure begins. I cannot wait. New day, new hoodie. Yesterday was practice. Today I am a real London explorer. Let us go. Okay, tomorrow I want to see Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and Hyde Park. I need a plan. I am very organized. Big Ben in the morning, then walk to Tower Bridge, then Hyde Park in the afternoon. Perfect. This is a good plan. Goodbye, beautiful room. I will be back tonight with many photos and many stories. Okay, adventure time. The breakfast room. Oh, good. I am so hungry. A big English breakfast will give me energy for the whole day. A croissant, some strawberries, and this yellow thing. Is this the famous English scrambled eggs? Let me try everything. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is so good. Why is everything in England so delicious? More, please! That was the best breakfast of my life. Okay, full stomach, good mood. Time to see London. Let us go. Good morning, London. I am coming for you today. First stop, Big Ben. I have wanted to see this my whole life. Oh my goodness. It is Big Ben. It is so tall. It is so beautiful. I need a photo. Actually, I need 100 photos. Standing on Westminster Bridge, looking at the River Thames, I want to remember this feeling forever. It is so peaceful. Tower Bridge! This is my favorite. Can someone take my photo, please? I need to show my family back home. This is my favorite moment of today. Just me, the lake, and the ducks. Hyde Park! It is so green and so quiet. I did not know London had such a beautiful park. I love it already. I have walked so much today. My feet are tired. But this park is so beautiful, I do not want to stop. Perfect selfie spot. Smile! There is a duck right next to me. Hello, duck. You are also in my photo now? My feet hurt so much right now. But it is only 4 o'clock. I still have time. Oh, is that a food market over there? Excuse me, what is this one?
A samosa.
Yes, please. Actually, can I have 2? I am very, very hungry.
Of course.
This samosa is incredible. Hot, crispy, and perfect. London street food is amazing. I want to eat everything. Oh, wow, look at that. He is juggling 5 things at the same time. London is so fun. I love the city so much. I am so tired. My legs hurt, my feet hurt, but I am so happy. Today was the best day of my life. Almost home now. The underground! This morning I was so confused here, but now I know exactly what to do. Zone 1, Piccadilly line. Easy! Big Ben, Tower Bridge, Hyde Park, Covent Garden, I saw everything. Now I just need my bed. 2 more stops, then. I am back! Patricia, I saw everything today. Big Ben, Tower Bridge, the park.
London is absolutely wonderful. Good evening.
Rest well. I walked about 15 kilometers today. My feet will never forgive me.
Look at London at night. All those lights, all those scared. I am proud of myself.
Mom! Dad! I had the most amazing day. I saw Big Ben, I ate a scone, I fed a duck in Hyde Park. I love London so much. Look! Big Ben! And Tower Bridge! And this one? A duck photobomb my selfie. He is my favorite part of the whole day. Tomorrow I want to see the British Museum, Notting Hill, and actually, maybe I will just sleep first. Good night, London. Good morning, London. I am rested, I am happy, and I am ready. Yesterday was amazing, but today will be even better. Let us go.